Zero conditional uses. Use for instructions or rules. Examples: if you park here, you get a fine. If it rains, we cancel the match. If the floor is wet, people slip. If the light is red, drivers stop. If you drop litter, you pay a fine. If workers fight, HR gets involved. If you break a glass, you report it. If the phone rings, someone answers. If you break the law, you go to jail. If you lean on the railing, it moves. If files go missing, IT investigates. If people argue, security intervenes. If the gate opens, the alarm disarms. If workers arrive late, they lose pay. If the bell rings twice, you evacuate. If the freezer melts, the food spoils. If you don't pay, your account closes. If it is a fire drill, you exit calmly. If you open the door, the alarm sounds. If you break a rule, you get a warning. If the bell rings, students go to class. If you touch the wires, you get a shock. If players arrive late, they don't play. If kids shout, the librarian warns them. If the machine overheats, it shuts down. If the computer freezes, you restart it. If workers smoke, the manager warns them. If staff don't clean, customers complain. If users click the link, the video plays. If someone drops a plate, staff clean it. If someone steals, security detains them. If you drive too fast, the camera flashes. If passengers stand, the bus doesn't move. If you don't follow rules, you get banned. If you go over the line, the sensor beeps. If users click accept, the app installs. If food goes bad, the staff throw it away. If the fire alarm sounds, everyone leaves. If students use phones in exams, they fail. If you don't show your ID, you can't enter. If staff are rude, management takes action. If the child cries, staff call the parents. If kids don't eat, the carer calls parents. If you push this button, the machine starts. If you double-click the icon, the app opens. If the machine beeps, you take the item out. If guests arrive early, we ask them to wait. If a student sleeps, the teacher wakes them. If students cheat, the school suspends them. If anyone breaks equipment, they pay for it. If players cheat, the referee stops the game. If phones ring, the teacher confiscates them. If drivers don't stop, the police chase them. If your badge isn't valid, the scanner beeps. If staff clock in late, they lose a half day. If kids yell, the teacher sends them outside. If you miss a payment, the bank charges a fee. If guests don't please reply, we don't prepare a seat. If drivers drink alcohol, the police fine them. If children run in the hall, they get warnings. If you don't clean your room, you can't go out. If someone smokes inside, the smoke alarm rings. If customers complain, the manager investigates. If people don't queue, the staff refuse service. If customers don't wear masks, they can't enter. If visitors use Flash, the guide stops the tour. If staff eat at their desks, they get a warning. If drivers don't indicate, they cause accidents. If passengers don't buckle up, the driver waits. If anyone talks during the test, they lose marks. If users share passwords, the system blocks them. If a student forgets their ID, they stay outside. If you don't wear a helmet, you can't ride a bike. If pets enter the building, security removes them. If the alarm sounds, everyone leaves the building. If customers don't pay, the company stops service. If the password is wrong, the page shows an error. If the customer yells, the manager calls security. If visitors touch the exhibits, the alarm goes off. If you press the red button, the system shuts down. If pets bark inside, the manager asks you to leave. If children leave their seats, the teacher notices. If the printer runs out, you refill the paper tray. If you don't scan your card, the gate stays closed. If workers don't wear safety gear, they can't enter. If you don't log out, someone accesses your account. If you open the door slowly, the alarm stays silent. If children misbehave, the teacher calls the parents. If drivers block the exit, staff move their vehicles. If drivers block emergency exits, they pay a penalty. If students talk too much, the teacher separates them. If students arrive late, the teacher marks them absent. If staff don't report problems, the manager scolds them. If students forget homework, the teacher gives detention. If parents don't sign the form, the student can't attend. If you don't switch off the lights, you waste electricity. If a player uses bad language, the referee sends them off. If children eat in class, the teacher confiscates the food. If customers don't follow instructions, they void the warranty. If someone sits in the wrong seat, the usher asks them to move.